Today on Design, Build, and Fix, another video on how to use Sketchup. This video is on the push-pull tool. It's one of the easiest tools that you can use in SketchUp. However, it does have one drawback that a lot of people inadvertently miss. Alright, so we're going to show you what that is. Keep in mind, if you like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And oh, by the way, one thing I would highly recommend as you watch these how-to videos on how to use SketchUp, I would definitely open SketchUp and draw along as I go. Alright, so let's get right into the video. Alright, so the push-pull tool is one of the relatively most easiest tools to actually use in SketchUp. However, there's one drawback to the push-pull tool that a lot of people don't realize, and it actually becomes extremely frustrating for people. Alright, so let's show you the push-pull tool. In order to push-pull something, you have to have a closed surface. So for instance, this is completely closed, and then the push-pull tool is actually this one. And once you push-pull it, you can push-pull it up or down. All right. Now, at this point in time, if I want to push-pull this up 3 feet, I didn't click yet. I can just type in 3 feet and hit enter, and that will actually take us to 3 feet. Now the next one is, let's say I draw this with lines. And I'm just going to draw a shape here with lines, and now you can see that it's been completely shaded in, so therefore I should be able to pull this up. Alright, now because I haven't clicked anything else, we can put this in at 2 feet and it goes up. Now let's say, for example, you pulled this up and you want that to be the exact same height as this one. Not a big deal, just left click and just come over here on the face, and it'll make these two exactly the same height. Now here's the frustrating thing about SketchUp and trying to push-pull something. Let's say, for example, I go like this, and then somehow I inadvertently go up on the blue axis, and then I bring it down over here. Now if I'm looking at that, that looks like it should be a closed shape, which technically it kind of is. The problem is it's not on the same plane. So if I come over here and look, you can see that that's not on the same plane. Alright, so some people would say, alright, I'm going to fix that. Go like this, and now that should be able to be push-pulled. If I grab the push-pull tool and I come over here, and it can't go up, but it can go down, because there's nothing here to actually close this face off, because this is actually not on the same plane. So one of the things that you have to make sure that you do is that you know that the object you're trying to push-pull is actually all on the same surface, so to speak. Alright, so the next thing is you can push-pull objects through stuff. So let's say, for example, let's go over here and grab the circle and put a circle on here on the face. I don't care how big it is, and we can just push-pull that. I can either push-pull it out a distance or push-pull it all the way through. And if I want it to go onto the face on the back, notice I still have freedom because I haven't clicked anything. I click here, and now I have a push-pull that went through that hole. All right, it's a hole gone through the whole object. So now what I'm going to do is, let's put a different shape on here. Let's put a polygon on like this. And we can push-pull that out or push-pull it back in. We can go out. And actually, if we wanted to go in, we could. So there's the push-pull tool. The big thing is make sure the object you're trying to push-pull is all on the same surface. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. More videos on how to use SketchUp coming out shortly. Hope to see you on the next one.